battle with Reed Instruments, and I want to share our R8001 laser distance meter. This thing is really neat. You might be thinking to yourself, great, it can tell you what's the distance from point A to point B, but it can do a lot more than that. So let's start with the first example. Yes, it can do point A to point B. It goes up to 50 meters, which is right at 164 feet. Then, say you want to know the point from point B to C. You can add that together. Say you want to take that out. It can subtract that distance. So, a good example there would be, what's the distance of a wall? Let's take that. Then, what's the distance of a door opening? Let's take that back out. That way you know how much sheetrock you might need. Another neat thing this thing will do is calculate area and volume. All you have to do is take one measurement at this wall, take another measurement at this wall, calculate, there you go. You know how much square footage you have for carpet or flooring, anything like that. Say you're an HVAC technician, you need to know what the volume of this room is. To this wall, take a measurement to this wall, to the ceiling, calculate, there you go. You have the exact measurement for volume right there. Another really neat thing this guy does is takes indirect measurements. Remember that thing from school, Pythagorean theorem, something like that? This can do that. All you have to do is, say you want to calculate how tall a building is. Stand here, point it at the base, take your measurement. Point it up at the top, take your measurement. It's going to calculate that height. So basically, you're getting your 3 and your 5, and it's measuring your 4 back down. One step better. Say you want to know the length of that building. You're standing at this point, take your first measurement right there in the center, to the end of the building, to the other end of the building, and there you go. It calculated that long run for you. Even better, you can stand in one spot and take continuous measurements. So say you're standing right here, you take your measurements, calculate, it'll tell you what your max point was and what your min point was. It's really neat. There's almost, any type of measurements you think of, this guy is doing it right then. Instant calculations, it's accurate, it's very durable, it's IP54 rated, which means it's dust and splash proof. For good measure, it comes with a wrist strap. Also comes with a nice little soft case, you can hook it right on your belt. Really neat piece of equipment. You can just imagine the applications in almost any industry. If you have any questions, talk to your local distributor. Check us out online at Reed Instruments.